Hey everyone, it's Alison Heikkila. Thank you so much for joining me. I am really excited to show you something today. It is the brand new Hero Arts Heroween box. I am so stoked about this. You guys know I love Halloween. So this is 13 days of crafty treats, all done Hero Art style. Look at how cute this box is. I love all the stars. Here's a peek at what's on the back. Unfortunately, we can't open this today. We're going to be opening it soon though, starting on September 7th. That's going to be day 1, and we're going to do all 13 days together. I'll have plenty of videos to share with you that will run through September 19th. So I am super stoked. I hope you are too. It looks like it's going to be an adorable set of goodies. I have no idea what's in here except for what's shown on the back. So I hope that you'll stay tuned and you'll watch all of the goodness that will be coming in September. So I hope to see you then, but I hope that you are back before that too, because I'm sure I'll have some fun stuff to share. So thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you soon. Be well, stay safe. Peace out.